A quadrilateral is a plane figure that has four sides or edges and also has four corners or vertices. The angles are present at the four vertices or corners of the quadrilateral. If we join the opposite vertices of the quadrilateral, we get the diagonals. Square. All the sides of the square are of equal measure. The opposite sides are parallel to each other. All the interior angles of a square are at 90 degrees. The diagonals of a square perpendicular bisect each other. The diagonals of square are equal. Rectangle. The opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. The opposite sides are parallel to each other. All the interior angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees. The diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Rhombus. All the four sides of a rhombus are of the same measure. The opposite sides of the rhombus are parallel to each other. The opposite angles are of the same measure. The sum of any two adjacent angles of a rhombus is equal to 180 degrees. The diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other. Parallelogram. The opposite sides of the parallelogram are of the same length. The opposite sides are parallel to each other. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. The opposite angles are of equal measure. The sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degrees. Trapezium. Only one pair of the opposite side of a trapezium is parallel to each other. The two adjacent angles between parallel sides of a trapezium are supplementary, 180 degrees. The diagonals of a trapezium bisect each other in the same ratio. Kite. The pair of adjacent sides of a kite are of the same length. The largest diagonal of a kite bisects the smallest diagonal. Only one pair of opposite angles are of the same measure.